so tired. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another day of programming every single day. This is day 91 of the operating system project. Um, if you guys haven't followed along, I went to day 100 and I actually forget what day it was. And then I had a car accident, and then I had to take a break for a while because of my concussion. And then we're back for season 2. We're on day like 28 or 26 or something. Where the fuck my phone at? Alright, hold up. My phone might. I probably gotta get my phone. So I gotta send it to Discord. Low key. Let me send it. Oh shit. No, I guess it doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't matter. Man got new glasses. Yes, sir. Do you guys like them? Do you guys want to mess with them? Do you like them, Carlos? Alright, let me send this to. There we go. It looks sick. Thank you, Carlos. I appreciate that. All right, I'll hold chat up on. You're making an OS? What architecture? Um, to be honest, I don't really know. I just know how to build it. I'll show you it so far though. Hey dude, how old are you again? 19. I just turned 19. I I returned. I have a new website. Oh, okay. Hey, we gotta try it. All right. So here's what we gotta do, or here's what we're thinking. Hank, should we try out your website first, or should we get started with programming? I'd be cool with anything. Yeah, I just turned 19 in last December. So, um, okay, bet. Okay, bet. We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll do that. Let me pull chat up. Let me pull chat up on my phone here. Uh, yeah, I'll pull chat up. He said time flies. You don't have to trip here. Send if you can. It probably won't send the link. So just type in the chat your website and then type dot com, and then I just turned 24 3 days ago. Happy birthday, Luke. It's awesome, man. 24. Wow. You're getting up to Unk status. You're getting up to Unk status, Luke. Okay, let me boot up my VM. Oh, I was doing my CS work last night for class, and let me actually show you guys. So it was a print statement for Python, but it had print, and then it had whatever string you wanted, and then it had a comma, and then it had end equals space, like they were using a. Yes, it's an x86 OS. This no. This is me. This is me booting up the This is me booting up Arch Linux. To show you. Um, this is just to show you. Uh, Start network manager. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay, cool. What? I spelled it. Oh, dang, my phone fell. Oh my god, I'm spelling things wrong left and right. Oh, also, pro tip: you could use Control L to clear instead of typing clear. Holy shit! You just changed my life. But let's see though. Is that? I guess it's the same. Okay, let me show you it. CD. Let's go to the OS directory. Um, are you American? Right? It's normal for people then there to start university in their mid late 20s. No, yeah, I do live in America, but you usually start college at 18. Like I just started college. You finish college your mid 20s, like probably 24 to 25 you finish college. Yeah, uni is expensive, but I decided to go. Um oh my gosh, guys, look at the screen tearing. I had to save college. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing now. I'm taking all online classes because it's a little cheaper and living at home, but it's still like crazy. Like this semester was like 3 to 4 thousand. Um, I've been out of work for a long time, and I had to pay these hospital bills for a long time. So yeah, online classes. uh, People, did you did you get student loans? No, I paid for it. I paid for it up front. Of course, with the money you guys helped me with uh, over the past 6 months for YouTube, I really appreciate you guys. And then I work 2 jobs, and then yeah, yeah. In Colorado, my entire associate's degree is paid for. Hell yeah! And then also I have Hope scholarship, so um, no get student loans. Why would I get student loans? Why would I want to go into debt? I go to community college. I want to probably transfer um to Georgia Tech soon. Um yeah, probably transfer to Georgia Tech. Yeah, like community it was like cheap. It was cheap, but like also it's you know, it's been pretty hard because I had to pay for the semester up front, but I've also been having to front the medical bills for the accident and stuff. But everything seems to be taken care of in terms of that. Okay, anyways, so the OS. We have some commands like oh shoot. Oh shoot. So we've been at this for almost 100 days now. We have a virgin. Oh my gosh, my phone keeps falling. Okay, wait. How am I gonna do this? Same as booting with QEMU can boot your kernel faster directly with what? Wait, you could directly do that? But okay, but I don't have an L file. Like I didn't set this up to compile it to an L file. It's it's yeah, it's not a um it's not an L file, so I can't like boot it directly. I need a bootloader. In my country, it's a bit different. We have to start working earlier in order to pay for everything. So most people work and study at the same time. Some graduate college at the rate. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm working. A part of your college degree requires internship. The internship I'm looking at pays 125, and student loans could be paid off in like $5 a month. Not only, but if you get more loans. Okay, but I'm low key like debating for dropping my classes this semester because I got this job offer actually out in California. for a head computer scientist for a startup. He said, "What? No, no, no. That's not what I meant. Like, but like it's job experience. I'll probably take some online classes out there, but I'll have to see. I'm probably gonna leave spring break and then end up in the what you call it? What degree pathway are you on now? See, I don't know what I want to do. I Because in the realm of CS, I was thinking, right? If everything goes south, right, and AI is doing amazing, probably in the next 10 years, right? I'm gonna be thrown out of a job if I just stick to computer science, right? So what I was thinking of doing is um, you could get a business degree, but then you could take as many CS classes as you want. So that so you could do that, and then you could also get like a bunch of certifications and business degree is worthless, bro. But no. Then you could do the management, but like you could also get a CS job. Like if everything goes south, you could always look for like a management position. It's not like Well, yeah, no, I'm not saying I'm abandoning CS. I'm just saying like if you get a business degree on the CS side, you could have two like different opportunities for jobs. So like say um computer scientists this thing is only to get the normies away. Managing what? Like I don't know, like like I'll have like a managerial role. It's like I personally think business degrees are worthless. They are worthless, but in case CS doesn't work out, a business degree is like a way to fall back on. It kind of just be like no, okay, okay. So Georgia Tech, you guys know, is really hard to get into, especially for CS, computer science. So um, if I don't have the grades for it, I could always. Yeah, bro. What do you want? Because even if it doesn't work out, it's a learning experience. You still need people to develop these days. Well, yeah, okay. I'm not saying like because there's a good chance once supercomputers or not supercomputers like quantum computers get to a certain point where companies can train like a AI model on it. I mean, it's going to be to the point where what the AI puts out is going to be something a human can't even comprehend. I mean, have you guys seen the amount of power that the quantum computers have? But I'm saying like if I do get a business degree, right? I could do like management stuff, if CS goes south. My whole thing, okay, so my whole thing, guys, is I don't, I don't really know. I don't want to kind of be like at like an office job or anything. College and then like getting a job outside of that is kind of like a fallback plan. I want to, create something. AI developers just use the ChatGPT API. Dude, tell me about it. Okay, so um dude, every single one of them use ChatGPT API. And Hank, economics are a lot of probability management. Yeah. Yeah, and you also got to think like for computer scientists, a lot of the CS people, now this might not be you, but they have hard times communicating with people, right? So you see a lot of CS majors and you don't see a lot of people managing the like management on the CS side. Like you could talk to people about computers, you know, there's like a really big market, right, for being able to communicate with somebody that knows nothing about computers about stuff, um, about computers that they can understand. You know, make a degree that makes you happy. There we go. There you go. There you go. Add stuff to your CV. I'll do too. Yeah, but see, like, my whole thing is I want to make enough money so I'm comfortable. Right? When I do something I enjoy like computers. You know, I enjoy anything computers. So anything within that realm, I would enjoy. Um, and I was also thinking about guys, like going to the military for cybersecurity. What's up, e programs? Weird to see you without the tinfoil hat. Audio tour, bro. You haven't been here. You haven't been here a while. AI suck at OS dev. That's for dude. Tell me about it, bro. I asked ChatGPT. Like I was, I think like so when I started, I was really confused on how interrupts work, and I went to ChatGPT to kind of get like an idea of where to look, and it just spat out like it. It had the standard libraries for C in its code. I'm like, how the hell am I supposed to use this? It's because most LLMs are trained on massive amounts of Python code from Git. Yeah, yeah. Well, the ChatGPT could search now, right? It could like search things up now, right? No, but listen, guys. I do think do whatever makes you happy is the number one priority. Um, but just thinking. Yeah, it's too confidently incorrect. Its math has gone a long way though. I say that because like a couple of years ago it couldn't do any math, and then now it works up to like, or it could do calculus. I think it fails up to number theory. Um, that's where it gets tripped up. But like the math on it isn't bad anymore. Are you using a window manager? Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome when it. Yeah, I'll show you. Those are my sorry. Yeah, because ChatGPT or any J yeah, it doesn't have self-awareness. They made a big update though. And I believe they have reasoning. It could search the internet. Um it could they have like a code one. Here's a demoralizing take. The owner of Gumroad keeps his apps with the token limit for cursor. What the fuck is cursor? You guys keep saying. I'm sorry, bro. I'm new. Cursor. AI code editor? Okay, wait. Let's see what it could do. It's like a legit thing. Wait, I look it up when she's. Is it any good? I've never heard of this. Hell yeah, we're back. Cursor. Oh, I've seen this one. It's like it builds for you and then you could tweak it with another prompt and then keep tweaking it until you want it for it to do what you want. Is it just open API? It's just open AI. ChatGPT can aid in some math things, but it's up to the programmer who understands to use them for their solution. Yeah, like that is true. That is true. But guys, I'm telling you guys, like I think once they could figure out how to make quantum computers, or when the technology gets better for it, where it'd make it less expensive to have quantum computers, the AI models that they're gonna like make with it are gonna be like insane, like insane models. Uh, I do think that. I do think that. Like it's gonna come up with shit like a human can't even comprehend. Now, I do think that's gonna happen in maybe the next 100 years. But right now, the whole thing with AI is processing power, right? Like, the whole thing is they can't get a better AI model without the processing power, and the limit is how many CP or GPUs they could have. Because that's why Elon Musk built that warehouse, right? He came out with Grox, Grok, I believe his name in. And this it outperformed or DeepSeek. They lied about the benchmarks. AI AI reads more efficiently rather than more speed. Don't need more processing power for a dumb AI. That's why we publish papers for smarter AIs that use less resources. Yeah, Grok on these nuts. Otherwise, you end up with 100 terabyte Chrome web, even with quantum computers. Dude, but like the performance compared to like a supercomputer, and the technology only gets better from here. I think it was quantum. It was something teleportation, or like it was saying that the quantum bits weren't getting the information from this reality. It was like it was in like a multiverse. It was getting its information from multiverses, I believe. Right? Am I right or am I wrong? Like insane shit. Um, quantum computing breakthroughs. Now, I do see with quantum computers, once they become a thing, I could see a very high demand for cybersecurity experts or majors. I really do think that. Um, yeah, complex calculation that would take a supercomputer trillions of years. Trillions. This shit is crazy. Um, what was the breakthrough though? Okay, here it is. We are not making quantum computers 10 years. We are making them far in the future. I didn't say 10 years. I was talking about like AI in terms of AI. Quantum computers, probably in the next 100. Um, this is like the first car that ever came out in terms of like a comparison, in my opinion. What was the breakthrough though? It was something like. Did I just? I don't know. Oh, Hank, what's your website? Put your website and then type out .com, like .com, and it should show up in chat. Thankfully, we have PCQ algorithms nowadays. People don't get too funny with the RSA breaking. Yeah. Yeah. But I watched a video on it. Um, yeah, they were looking for a way to stabilize the qubits. I don't even know how they do that. Like, imagine having to contain like literal, like, that's insane. Like, I do also think that the like the whole world's there's going to be like a huge demand for power um to train new models, a lot of stuff. There's going to be like a huge demand for power. No, but that's insane. I just want to see what shows up. Oh yeah, it was a research at it was a study at Oxford. Um Quantum information between two separate computers. What? To connect two independent quantum processors? Yes, I guess that like adds it to. I don't even know what I'm talking about, guys. That's crazy. Wait, we cannot make perfect qubits, and they only exist in imperfect form for 10 nanoseconds. Yeah. Hold up. Low key, guys. I'm gonna go to bed. I know we didn't program much today, but I enjoyed talking to you guys. And some days, you don't need to program, right? You can, you know, take a break sometimes. Um, that's what she said. My keyboard is. My keyboard is what? Don't know what's up. All right, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching. You guys are awesome. Um, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.